To connect a printer with Samsung Galaxy S26 series, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the connections, and after that we can scroll all the way down to more connection settings. Select the printing right here, and then you will need to enter pairing mode on your printer. So depending on your printer model, there's always different method for doing this. So you should just Google your printer name and then try to search for a pairing method for it. If you manage to enter pairing mode, you can click on default print service, make sure that it's on, and then it will begin scanning for your printer. If it's found, then you can select it and you'll be ready to print with your phone on your printer, of course. And alternatively, if you cannot see your printer even after this, you should click on plus download sign and then look for your printer brand. If you can see your printer brand right here, you can then select it. For example, if we go for the Samsung print service, we can install this plugin, and when the plugin is installed, we'll be able to add our printer using it. So go back to your printing service right here and wait a few moments until the plugin is downloaded. Here it is, it's Samsung print service. Make sure that it's on, click on it, and that way if you have Samsung printer, it should show up on this list. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.